So your steps are going to be a little bit different, okay? So we know that with the x and y intercept, okay, it gets plotted on the x line or the y line. Okay, so you have to do it twice, okay? One, you plug in 0 where the x is, and the other you're going to plug in 0 where the y is. Okay, so if we start off on the first one, I'm going to say y equals -2 times 0, where the x is, I'm plugging in 0, plus 2. What is -2 times 0? 0 plus 2. 2. Okay, so our coordinate looks like this, 0, 2. Okay, so our x is 0 and our y is 2. Okay, so that's one of our intercepts. Okay, now we need to plug in 0 for the what? For the y. Okay, so we're going to say 0 equals -2x plus 2. Okay, how do I solve for x? What's going to get moved first? Which 2? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to say -2. What is 0 minus 2? -2 equals -2x. And then what? Divide by -2. What is -2 divided by -2? Positive 1. So what is this coordinate? 1, comma, 0. Okay, here's our y and here's our x. Okay, so x is going to be 1 and our y is 0. Okay, so we graph that using the x and y intercept. Okay, most of the x's you should be able to like do really fast, kind of do in your head with little to no work. Okay, the y's are going to take a little bit more because you kind of have to solve them out. Can I scroll? No. You good? Okay, 19. We're going to plug in 0 where what? Where x is at? Okay, -3 times 0. 0 minus 3. -3. Okay, what is this coordinate going to be? 0, -3. So, is that going to be my x or y intercept? The y. Okay. Okay, and then the second one, we're plugging in 0 where? For the y. So we say 0 equals -3x minus 3. How do we solve that one? Yep. We're going to say plus 3. So I got 3 equals -3x. And then what? Divide -3. So I got x equals -1. What is that coordinate? -1, 0. Is that going to be our x or y? The x. Oh, shoot. I didn't play any figures. Cross off number 20, 21, and 22. Okay, last one, 23. We're going to plug in 0 where? X. I got y equals 2 times 0 plus 1. What is 2 times 0?
0.
Plus 1.
1.
1. Okay, how do we write this coordinate? 0, comma 1. Is that the x or the y?
The y.
The y. Okay, and then we're going to plug in 0 where the y is at. How do you solve that one?
Subtract 1.
Subtract 1 from both sides.
And then you get negative 1, and you divide it by 2.
So I got negative 1 equals 2x, and then you said divide by 2. Okay, how do we write this coordinate?
Negative 1/2.
Okay,
0.
0. Is that going to be the x or the y?
The x.
Okay, and so that's going to be somewhere about here. It don't have to be perfect, but... Okay, you guys go through, do the rest, get them done, put them in the box. If you're one of the people that don't have your phone, when you get done,